Let me check up on my dad. It's time to go home. Post office already picked out the packages, but these are the packages that he did right now, the past 3 hours, I think. And it looks like he's doing one more order. And what's inside the order here? We have the 10-watt UV lamp, soldering iron tip cleaner, ultrafine multimeter probes, micro soldering training practice board, 3 pieces, practice board, another one, 2 pieces. We have aluminum tape, 96 LED microscope ring light, screwdriver set, hot air station nozzles, the 6mm and 9mm nozzles, and of course Amtech Flux. Every single order has Amtech Flux in it because we are one of the major distributors of Amtech Flux. And all of these items are going inside the box. Aluminum tape, the nozzles, practice board, SMD and through-hole practice boards, ultra fine multimeter probes, and these probes are amazing. They are the same ones I use. We have the tip cleaner, screwdriver set, the Flux, the UV lamp, 10-watt UV lamp, and we have the microscope light. This is the man, my dad, behind the scenes, shipping your packages. UPS did not show up today. A lot of packages here. Hot air stations, fume extractors, some of them going inside the US, some of them international. Some people ask, why is shipping too expensive when we ship international? Let's take a look at this package here. The customer ordered 3 syringes of Flux. That's it. And the customer is in Switzerland. Let me show you how much he paid for shipping, or how much we got charged for shipping. The customer ordered 3 syringes of Flux, $48. And the package is 5 ounces. Nothing. Less than 1 pound. Less than half a pound. A pound is 16 ounce. This one is 5 ounce. Okay? And shipping is $45.24 for 5 ounce. Even if that customer ordered 1 syringe of Flux, it would have been the same price. $45.24. Some countries, shipping can go up to $80, $90 for 1 syringe of Flux. What if we ship post office, first class? First class is not delivering. They are losing our packages. And right now, because of COVID, they are not delivering to many countries. But even if they do deliver, they always tend to lose our packages. So right now we are only shipping FedEx and UPS. Prices for shipping international, they range from $45 all the way up to $110 depending on the country. Crazy. Maybe we can sort by country. Okay, right here. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at this guy here. The package is 14 ounce, less than 1 pound. And shipping is $45.24. If we look at Australia, customer ordered for $225. Let's take a look at that one. The package is 2 pounds and 4 ounce. And shipping is $49.68. And that's what we are charging now. A lot of packages, shipping is way over $50. If it's $55, $56, $57, we pay the difference. But if the shipping cost is, let's say, $90, $100, then we tell the customer so they can pay extra. And then Australia. We have a lot of customers from Australia. Let's check on my dad again. And look at that packaging. Look at that packaging. Awesome. Those are done in-house using this machine here, and also using another machine which we're gonna put on the side here. I'll show it to you in a moment. And now he pressed on what, 18? 18 because the box is 12. So 12 plus 3. So he pressed the button 18 and it dispensed the perfect amount of tape. And look at this, the tape hugs the box perfectly. And if you look at the tape, it has the wires in it, so it does not break easy. There's no way to break that tape. And solid. Shipping label, and done. That's my dad. What's the shipping cost on this one?
$12.65. We pay $9.
Okay, so shipping cost is $12.65, but the customer paid a flat rate of $9 for priority mail. But we ended up paying more.
$9.95.
We paid $3 more. That's it. I just wanted to show you what goes on behind the scenes when doing packages. Time to go home. Already nighttime. My dad does not like to leave unless he does all the packages, but right now he has 85 orders and there's no way he can finish them today, so he'll start again tomorrow morning. And this one goes outside.